What is an advanced transport manager? An advanced transport manager is someone who has taken the next step after gaining their qualification to bridge the gap between knowledge and experience. After passing your exams, you are well equipped with all the knowledge, rules and regulations for the transport industry, but applying that knowledge may require you to need additional support. Being a good transport manager means planning well, staying at the top of the compliance tree and branching out to reach excellence. In transport management, things change a lot. To do well, you need to stay ahead. The Advanced Transport Manager course from NTP Online Learning is a great way to do that. If you want to improve and know how to implement your transport manager knowledge, this course is the way forward. Start your journey to being a great transport manager by checking out the Advanced Transport Manager course. If you'd like to contact NTP, you can do that via their website, which is ntponlinelearning.co.uk. You can send an email to hello@ntponlinelearning.co.uk or give the friendly team a call on 01406 424 500.